went bad. So she said, no, you're doing it right, but make sure, because she's not gonna tell you which is the answer, you know. But
Right.
she said that we should we're doing it wrong, so we have to pretty much pay attention to which one was first, the first weight, and then the first weight, and what was the second one, what was the post and
Because
preview.
basically it says define the difference from the morning to the nighttime height.
So I guess we gotta make sure which one is the morning one and which one is the afternoon and nighttime. Cause she say for some reason I'm doing it wrong. So she say make sure you post and preview is right, and then you should be okay. So cause I got the first one wrong, I got number 2 right. What did you got for the T-score? Did you get the T-score right, Ellie?
No.
Yeah, I got that one wrong.
What did you get for the number for the T-score?
Oh, I don't have it pulled up.
I got it wrong.
I got 22.446.
22,446. Hold on, cause she sent me an email. Cause I sent her the second time that the questions that I sent her for the second time. Hold on. All right, she said that T3. So 3, she said that I put her the one that you say in the minus 22,446, and she said that I have the wrong sign.
So it's a positive 2.44. That's what I have.
You got the positive or the negative?
Positive.
So maybe
I
that's
got it right. Yeah, it's positive.
So maybe you're doing it right. What answer did you got in first one?
For the first one, I got 8.728 and 10.455.
Yeah, then you got it right. But I don't know how you do it in positive. And Ellie, did you got negative or positive?
I put negatives. Are they positive?
So it should be positive then.
Oh.
Alma, did you submit it already or not?
No, I haven't submitted it yet.
You know what? You had to try, so you had to pick and tell us. Because you had another chance. She said it was the sign. I'm guessing
it took me to the 3 hours just to finish the 1 through 6.
Yeah,
I still have to do 7, 8, 9, 9, and 10.
Yeah, that one I don't have no much issues, but I'm trying to see. So on the first one you got, let me make sure you got the right one. So you got 8.78 and 10.455.
Right.
So it's the lower.
Are those correct?
Hold on, 8780.
I got 8728.
Okay, hold on. So 8728, and you got 10.455. All right. So for the second one will be one tail.
Yeah.
The third one will be
22.446.
Oh, so it's the sign. Okay, 22,446. Yes.
But I don't know if it's a sign. I haven't submitted it yet.
No, yes, because she's saying she makes sure I had the wrong sign, so it should be the answer, but I got the wrong sign.
And then for the DF, I got 40.
And DF, hold on. Yeah, 40 is okay.
And then for the p-value, that one,
what did you got on that one? You got it right or wrong?
I got the p-value wrong.
Okay, this is what she said. She said that when you divide, because actually the p-value, whatever it is we're doing with the wrong sign, is going to be the same, 0.0000, right? And if you divide it by 2, hold on.
Where did you get the 0.000?
If you put in your t-value into the your test score into the normal probability applet, you're going to get a really, really, really small number. So it's just
correct. So it's actually less than the the level of the letter A.
Yeah.
Significance. All right. So she said that this is what she said to me. So you might interpret this on your own. She said when you divide 0 by 2, you still get 0, and that means 0 point. So the p-value is 0. So it's asking for 3 zeros, you know, to round it at 3. So
do you put 0.000?
Then my first time I put 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I don't know how many zeros I put, but I didn't put that 3 zeros. So maybe try to do 0.000.
Okay.
Even though she says, so the p-value is 0. 0 point. So I guess it's 0.000. So you can try that one. And that will be number 5. And number 6. Did you get that one right, Ellie?
Number 6, no, I didn't because I got the p-value wrong.
So
what did you put down?
I put
got
down
it wrong too. So I
think it's because you have to reject the null.
I put down number 1.
Yeah, I think that's what it should be.
That will be what, number 6, right?
Yeah.
Well, let's see. If the p-value is less than the level of significance, do we reject or we
You reject if it's less than.
So is the first one then?
Yep.
First option.
And then number 7 is 1 sample t-test.
Oh, you put a 1 sample t-test?
Yeah, that's what the answer is. I got that one right.
1 sample t-test. Yes, that was kind of confusing.
Yeah, it was, but you had to like reread it, and there's not 2 data sets.
You got 8 and 9 right?
Yeah, 8.
I got it
there's
right.
2. Yeah, there's 2 groups, so it's paired samples.
And the 9 was 1 sample t-test, right?
Yeah.
All right. So, and did you say okay on 10? She said the same thing. She said I'm wrong, which is what I gave it to her was that what did I give it to her? Let me see my email. So what I did on 10 was T will be 9.690 and the difference will be equals to 89. And still the p-value will be 0.00. So whatever she said was that you have it wrong, the DF are right, so the DF is right, is 89. Might be the T is wrong, so I guess the T is wrong, and the p-value is not 0. So I think I did something wrong. So did you got that? You say that one you got it wrong, right?
Yeah, I got the T value and the P value wrong. So I don't know what they are.
And 11 you got it right?
Yeah, it's yes, because
because the p-value has lower. The p-value was lower than the level of significance.
Yeah.
So you can try that, Alma, and see how you're doing.
So it's just number 10 that we don't know, and I'm not sure how to do it.
Yeah, me neither.
Which one, Alma?
No, I didn't hear what you last said.
Oh, I just said number 10 was the only one we don't really know how to do.
Okay.
So, well, why don't we just go ahead and do this lessons quiz, and then if we have time, we'll go back to number 10.
Yeah, that's right. All right, let's go to the to the quiz. I mean, all right. So,
does everyone have their data files open?
Oh wait, good idea.
Yeah.
I send that as a reminder.
So I have mine open, and I like watch the videos and stuff, but I'm still having a hard time setting it up on the SPS.
It was kind of nice, but yes, the videos actually confuse you a little more than usually. I mean, I didn't have no problems with the videos and the previous lesson, but for this lesson, it just kind of confused me a little bit.
Yeah, like I felt like
the book was clear to me, so I was.
Okay.
why would they have to do all these 4 different things just to get the same?
Yeah. Huh.
So let's see. Let's see what we can do
So
and what we
what
can
data
delete.
do we need to open? Because I only see
We
the
will need to
video
open 2
tutorials.
different data.
You have to go to the book and open up the data files link.
Dentist office bills.
No, but which one are you looking to open? Because I don't see where it's
Well,
asking
you
you
have
to
to.
open anything.
It's inside the quiz, so it's not even. There's no link to it at all. So you have
Oh,
to go to the chapter 13 for the book, and on the
okay.
left side column of the page, there's a blue link, and it says data files. You need to click that,
Okay.
and it'll take you to that list of data files.
And which one are we looking for? What's the name?
Dentist office bills.
This is not the one. Sorry. I have to open this one. Kind of losing my voice. All right. Let me see. Group meeting.
Okay, I've got it open.
All right, and then you're supposed to I don't know. I guess I was having a hard time understanding when you put it into the SPSS. You're supposed to do something, but every time I try to do it, I mess it up.
All right. Let me see if I can
Let me
go
see
over
what
it.
it says.
Okay, so in the instructions, it says you have to put the data values in one column and the group names in the other column, but I'm not understanding what they mean by that. And that's what it says inside the book for the instructions.
All right. So in this case, we're trying actually to get information, the mean and the SD and the U, the X, and the SD individually.
Yeah.
So that's why they're called independently, right? So what
We're
we
trying
gotta
to get
do,
we're trying to get all that stuff of each group.
correct,
Okay.
correct. That's what this is different from the previous week. Lesson. The one that we do last Monday was pairing them, but actually we are trying to get the information individually for each of these groups.
Okay.
Because the one that we have an example for the video or the book was actually one line. Maybe this one is kind of easier or kind of different from what we're doing. Hold on. So let me copy this information. DOS office. No, I'm just gonna copy the numbers.
You copied both the Idaho, correct?
I don't know if it's gonna give you problems like last time because this actually works, but I'm just gonna put the information in there. So hold on. Let me close this because I'm not gonna have problems with this. You can continue. If you have any answers, maybe we can help each other. What's question number 3? It doesn't have to do anything with it.
Number 3 does it says what requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing 2 means with independent samples.
It's
a simple random sample was drawn from each population. Then the X with the line over it is normally distributed for each group. And the mu is greater than 0.
It's A and B.
Yeah, that's what I got.
All right. Number 4 says the test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing 2 means with independent samples is it's just the t-score, right?
Hold on. Yeah, the t-score.
Okay.
And number 5 will be 2 samples are independent if knowing which subjects will be in group 1 determines which subjects will be in group 2.
It's
Or
B.
knowing which subjects are in group 1 tells you nothing about which subjects will be in group 2. So if it's talking about independently, I think number 2 is right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now we gotta use the information, the data, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So use the data file dentist office bill to answer question 6 through 11. This data represents simple random samples of dental bills as a dentist office in Idaho Falls and a dentist office in Rexburg. Use a null hypothesis, U2 and alternative hypothesis minus U2 with a level of significance on 0.10. So what is the degree of freedom? So this is what we're gonna get. So let's paste this information. Whoever have it ready, let's see. All right, so if we're going by what the instructors say, we should go first to transform, right? Transform. Let me see the book.
Do you have to do both columns, the Idaho Falls and Rexburg, into the SPSS, or do you just do one at a time?
Well, the video actually shows you how to do it with 2 different things, like having the value for one in top and the other column in the bottom. But I don't know if at the end, in order for you to get the T value in total, we will have to, add both of them, or we will have to do individually. That what confused me about the video. So what I
Yeah,
did
me
was
too.
I followed the suggestions from the book. So let me look at it and see what can we do it. How can we do it faster? Toila, do you have an idea how to do this in a better way?
No, I don't. That's why I was, because everything is in one column.
Hold on, because the video actually showed you. So the graph right now. So it says that we need to so we need to recode first, right? So I guess we have to select both columns in order to get the information in the next column. Does anybody agree or disagree?
I can barely hear you.
I know I'm getting sick. So I guess let's just try to do, because the one that we have previously, the example from the book shows the groups in one column, right? The D
Yeah.
and the GEN or whatever. So it was kind of easy to know, okay, this is the groups and here is where they go. But in this case, the information is in 2 different columns, you know? So we have to actually take those information and I guess to recode it. I mean, to automatically recode, so we can do. Do we need to do that step in here?
I don't. That's
I
what I
don't
was
think
confused
so, right?
about because I don't know.
I don't
It just
think
doesn't
so,
make any
though.
sense. And then when I tried doing hold on. Because I tried doing it before we started, and every time I like do transform and then recode it, it just like it turns out weird, and then I can't get any of the numbers I need.
All right, just give me 2 minutes. Let me look
So
into.
sorry, I had to go quickly feed kids. On the SPSS thing, I have variable 1 and variable 2. in two separate columns, but because they have two separate means, are we addressing these separately or together?
We don't know.
Okay. What does the question say?
Because, like, in the book, it makes it sound like you do one at a time, but it doesn't make any sense because it also says that there's two groups. So, I don't know. It's not making a lot of sense.
All right, so let's see. Let's do what they say first, which is
The degree
try
of
to,
freedom.
yeah, but we have to first, I guess, in order for us to get all this information, the main thing is to recode it, right?
Yeah.
All right,
So we do transform, automatic recode, and then
hold on, automatic, what is it? Transform,
All
automatic
those that
recode.
say line.
Okay. Hold on, he's thinking. So I guess we have to put both in this case because we're not working in only one column.
yeah.
So let's try to do both. And then
But which
the
do
new,
you subtract?
huh?
But which one do you subtract from?
No,
You
you
don't.
have to subtract. You're not doing the same as pair.
We are not.
So
Okay.
you have to paste variable 1 and variable two's data inside the SPSS,
Yeah.
and then
did.
you go
Alma,
to
you gotta understand that
transform.
this is different from the last class. I mean, it's
No, I
kind of
know.
the same,
I'm
but
where it says automatic recode, and
Yeah,
it
and
shows up both variable 1 and variable 2, and then it
yeah,
says.
move it to the variable name, new name, yes.
Mhm.
And
so
we're
you
gonna
put
put here like we can put new office, maybe.
variable 1. That's the Idaho Falls one, right?
Yeah, but what we're looking? We're
Yeah.
looking for what will be the column number 3? Is another office or is it just we had to put a name in the new information basically.
Yeah.
Do we want to pick a name?
We can just put Office
All right,
3 or something.
put the office, whatever.
Just put like Office 3 so we're all on the same page.
And then click to add new name.
And then you move, and you have to move variable 2 over and add a name to that one too.
What do you say?
Do we have to name both of them at the same time?
No, I guess only one, right?
Yeah, but you're gonna have to rename the second one anyways. So
When
it says,
I moved variable 1 to variable new name, appeared a whole bunch of question marks, and I typed in where it says new name Office 3,
yeah, I see that.
but then it doesn't let me do anything other than add a new name.
Let's try to put, I don't know, I mean, we're trying. Let's do it, let's put office 2 together, you know?
why won't it let you do that? It's letting me do it just fine.
Yeah, let me do it. Like I put variable 1 office 2 and variable 2 office. Let's just try
Where
to see
do
what it
that?
comes out with.
You can go over there, Kayla. Take your plate and watch over there.
I don't really know how to do this. It's
I don't know
very,
either. And I've watched all the videos and
Hello?
okay.
I'm
There was
talking
two
to,
different
to
videos on in the
Are you okay?
instruction.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, yes.
Okay, yeah. Bye.
Because it's actually giving you two different values, so I don't really know how can we recognize this to put it in only one, in one column.
maybe how about You think I should maybe email the TA and ask her if she can join us tomorrow night instead, and then she can help us out, since none of us really know how to do this?
Yeah, I sent them an email with the dates that we were gonna be here.
Yeah, me too. I can just email her and tell her we're all having trouble with this chapter and we need
Yeah, I
help.
think it would be better that we can, get together tomorrow, because I don't think
Tomorrow.
we're not gonna go nowhere right now.
Yeah. What time do you want me to tell her?
The earliest as you can, ladies.
I can meet anytime tomorrow after 4.
Okay.
That'd be great.
At
So,
5 California time, which would make it 6 your time, Ellie.
Okay, I'll just
Yes,
tell
by
her.
6.
Is 6 Mountain Time good for everyone then?
Yes, 6 is okay.
yeah, which would be 8 o'clock in here. Yeah, that'd be fine, I think. Let me check.
Okay.
Sorry,
I'll-
Adriana.
I'll email her and tell her anywhere between 6 and 7:30 Mountain Time.
But would you think she's really gonna be there?
I mean, if she's not, we have a whole nother day to like look up stuff and figure out how to do it and then help each other. So like just make sure by tomorrow when we get back on that we all like kind of read more or like looked at the videos again or something, you
Yeah,
know?
we should. Maybe we can, I don't know if somebody already post videos.
I saw the videos, but I thought that was easier than when I came and went to transform and then automatic record. I don't know how to make the post lines because everything is in one line.
Okay, did you check the video and they did explain to do it in one little column, or was it different, something different?
I think it's gotta be
Yes.
separate.
He showed the video and then he went to transform then and the automatic record, but then he filled all the things that are in the bottom. That's what I don't remember how he did.
Oh, no. I'm not talking about the video from the instructor. I'm talking for the one from the group collaboration. Maybe somebody else already did
Oh,
this.
no, I didn't.
Well, maybe we can all just go look at those tonight and rewatch the instructional videos.
Yeah, let's
And then
and
I'll
maybe
email the
we can get
TA.
Mhm.
I'll email the TA and ask her, and if she can't, then at least we have another day to try to like learn more, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I don't think, I mean, it looks so easy. For me, it was kind of easy, actually. That was kind of ignoring the book and stuff like that. But the exercise that they put it in there is not the same exercise that we have right now.
Not at all.
No,
The
not
group
at
information was in one column, and you just have, even though it was two different groups, you still can put it in, in a third column.